Ang pinakagusto kong ugali niya yung malambing. Malambing. Pagka minsan kasi, magugulat na lang ako, biglang yayakap. Yan. Tapos nun, pag yumakap siya, hindi ko alam kung may kailangan siya sa akin o may re-request, ayan, ganyan. Pero talagang nagpaparamdam talaga siya na mahal niya talaga ako. Mahal niya rin yung mga anak ko.
Today, it is Gem at 40. A decade after, it is Gem at 50. No matter what age you celebrate, I will make emphasis on the real, for me, this is the real meaning of the poem, and that is that you were a child of the universe.
Happy birthday, Mommy! We love you! It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. The sweet little eyes that stare at me and make me say, I need you through all the way, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I know I've got you in me.
My love was as cruel as the cities I lived in. Everyone looked worse in the light. I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I don't wanna think of anything else now that I thought of you. I've been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night, and now I see daylight. I only see daylight. Like with a draw.
I wish you happiness. Sana lagi kang masaya sa akin. Ayan. Lagi kang masaya sa mga anak natin. And lagi lang dapat tayong nakangiti sa buhay.
Sa mga nakakakilala po sa kanya, she's really tough. Parang yun, bagay sa kanya yung nagtatrabaho sa bank, parang video siya eh. She finds ways. Di ba? Oo. Talagang if it can't be, it has to be.
Happy birthday!
I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I can never
Happy birthday, Jem!
Happy birthday, Ate Jem!
now that I thought of you. Things will never be the same.
Looking at you now, Jeremy, all these memories came back, reminding me of the boyish Jeremy from high school who has since transformed into a beautiful and remarkable person you are today.
See daylight, 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 daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight. And I can still see it all. Back and forth from New York. I once believed love would be but it's gone.
I want to be defined by the things that I love, not the things I hate, not the things I'm afraid of, not the things that haunt me in the middle of the night. I just think that you are what you love.